We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of two very special individuals. Today marks the date they will hold dear for the rest of their lives. There's the old adage, home is where the heart is, and that's true. Finding home isn't a place, it's a feeling. The last thing you want to see at night, and the first thing you want to see in the morning. Yes, it's this person standing across from you. Life will take you on many journeys, but remember, your house is just a thing. Your home is wherever you are together.
Both Phuong and James are so thoughtful and so kind. She always has believed so deeply in love, and I'm so happy that that belief led her to you, James.
Phuong is incredibly intelligent, very sweet and kind. You are his second half. I believe that.
For years I've yearned for home, and I found it in you, in us, in this beautiful life that we built and continue to build. I promise to cherish each moment together and never take you for granted. I promise to be your shelter and guiding light through life's storms. I promise to lift you up, sing your praises, and cheer on your accomplishments, no matter how big or small. I promise to grow with you and be there by your side, faithfully, through the ever-changing tides of life. I promise to love, respect, and accept you wholeheartedly for the wonderful person that you are, as long as I shall live.
James, there are so many things I love about you. With you, I feel safe and secure. Over the past 2 years, we have built a home filled with love, mutual respect, and support. Life has truly been better together with you. When I look at you, I see home. Being with you, I've truly found my match. Thank you for being my partner in life's wonderful adventures. I look forward to so much more with you. I love you.
And by the authority and power vested in me, I now pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Downpour Tran. You may kiss the bride.
Today, we are witnesses to Phuong and James' love for each other.
As you journey to your married life, may you discover even more beautiful and exciting reasons to love one another.